through the desert sand, guided by an unseen hand. This light echoed through the night, leading souls toward the light. Every step a story told of the brave and of the bold. Noble winds across the land, writing truth we understand. Exodus from fear and pain, breaking every mental chain. Babylon behind we leave, in the truth we now believe. Oh, smoke and fire light the way, through the dark into the day. Every heart beat like a drum, telling what we must become. Still we answer to the call. From the depths of history to a new reality, roots connection holds us tight, even in the longest night. Jah Jah guide the chosen few on a path forever true. No more lies to cloud the sight. We can see within the light. The vibration cleans the soul, make the broken spirit whole. In the silence, truth is loud, standing strong among the crowd. Freedom lives within the thought. Oh, you were never on your own. When the journey reached the end, we begin again, my friend. Yeah. Beyonce, the ancestral, the ancestral echo, the ancestral echo. The ancestral speak to the doublet spin. This your ancestral ancestral echo. Ancestral echo. Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright. One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo. And now the forefathers and now the mothers too. Live the tradition, make it new for you. Pass the torch of knowledge, never let it fade. In this your liberty, we are the upgrade. Yes, we select to make the rhythm echo, echo. Make the sound travel back through time we keep. Ganja are the bridge to the spirit realm. Rastaman I call, ancestors at the helm. Echo on, echo on. I returns. Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo. Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright. One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo. Ta, ta. Ja, Rastafari. Ancestral. One love, one lineage. Forever. Whoa, yeah, nah, nah. Whoa, yeah, nah, nah, nah. Close your eyes and drift away. Let the rhythm lead the way. Sacred bass begins to flow through the places we don't know. The voice echoes soft and wide. without an end. Jah foundation first, never shake or sway. Roots reggae anchor, show we the way. When the wind a howl and the flood arise, Babylon skin colors before we eyes. Herb a root we deep, make we trunk stay thick. Rasta spirit solid, no more fragile brick. Stand strong though. Let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight. No more body head to the system hate. One solid stand still, the righteous faith. Stand strong though. Truth, no sunfish if belief it tip, make the soul uplift, teach the youth fi hold when the pressure pays. In a this ya reggae sound we pass the bass. Yeah, yes me selector make the rhythm a stand like stone, make the echo thunder reach the youth them alone. Ganja fortify the will, keep it all and true. Rasta man a roast stand strong, me brethren break through. Beyond all time. Oh, da, 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 da. Rebel sound begin to rise, breaking through the silent skies. Baseline thunder rolls so deep, wake the ones who still asleep. It's a flame that never dies. Step by step we climb the heights, guided by Jaja light. No more fear to hold us down. We know where the wicked crown. Babylon system lose control. When the rhythm free within the sound. Bassline traveled far and wide, like a truth we cannot hide. Through the wires and through the air, Jah presence everywhere. Dub wise echo bending time, speaking truth without a rhyme. Uplift the humble voice. Artists sing with every drop. Feel the system never stop. Roots vibration in the chest. just like a light through the wilderness. Roots people follow to the happiness. Babylon are confused with them flashing lights, but the true star a call us through the night. Herb clarify the vision, sharpening up the sight. Rastafari strictly what is pure and right. Guiding star, lead we through the storm, lead we through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, like sheep without shepherd. Just star up on the way, make we all feel glad. Build the future bright with love and with respect. In this year, live it, we never regret. Yes, me select and make the rhythm follow the star. Make the echo travel far, touch every show. Ganja at the compass point, we do not trust. Rastaman a sing, follow the guiding torch. Forward, forward, hiring navigation. Guiding star, lead way through the storm, lead way through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, Rastafari. Guiding star, one love, one direction, forever, eternal flame. To the flame of burn, 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 to the flame of burn. Never go out. This your eternal dub, full of cloud. Your fire a glowing every vein. Roots reggae can break every chain. The mountain top, the path that's clear. This a higher ground, drawing near. Jah breath a blow through the ancient trees. Rutical, set the spirit free. See the lights are blind, but we not lose the sight. Babylon a sink, we a climb to the height. Every step we take, faith a guided feet. Rasta live it is strong, victory sweet. Higher ground, higher ground, whoa. Rise above the star, make the eagle fly. No more vibration. we don't know. The voice echoes soft and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Every pulse a healing way, freeing minds we thought stay. In the stillness find the sound, where the truest self is found. No more rushing, no more fear, only presence living here. Babylon noise fade to gray, as the dub begin to play. Simple truth within the tone, you were never alone, beginning without an end. Breathing slow with every beat, feel the earth beneath your feet. Roots extend through space and time, in a universe rhyme. Jah voice without the words, still in every note is heard, guiding gently through the night to a place of endless light. Let the echo cleanse the mind, leave the heavy past behind. In the rhythm we are free, just like wind across the sea. No more chains to hold you tight, only love and only light. The meditation take control, heal the body, heal the soul. At the gateway Zion call, hear the distant thunder roll. Echo drift through time and space, touching every hidden place.
Noble voice sound like sacred wind, wash away the weight of sin. In the silence hear the truth, speaking softly to the youth.
Taste now open ancient door, like we never knew before. Every drop of sound so wise, reflect deep within the eyes.
Babylon tried to steal the flame, but we never play that game. Roots connection hold us tight, guided by eternal
pieces whole. Like heartbeat strong,
carrying the rebel song
from the gate to every land.
Truth is written in the sand. Even when the sound grows dim,
still the fire burns within.
Zion Gate is always near
for the ones who truly hear.
Echoes never fade away.
They just guide another way.
Roots stand up forever true, living deep inside of you.
The star shine, the star shine, the star shine. Your guiding dove, never let we go awry. Just like a light through the wilderness, roots people follow to the happiness. Babylon are confused with them flashing lights, but the true star call us through the night. Herb clarify the vision, sharpening up the sight. Rastafari strictly what is pure and right. Guiding star, lead we through the storm, lead we through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, star. No more wanna lost like sheep without shepherd. Jack Star up, find the way, make we all feel glad. Build the future a flame that never dies. Step by step we climb the height, guided by Jaja light. No more fear to hold us down. We know where the wicked crown. Babylon system lose control. When the rhythm free the soul, every beat a revolution. Sound becomes the evolution. Smoke of wisdom fill the air, voices chanting everywhere. From the ghettos to the hill, truth is stronger than the pill. Reverb carry every cry, lifted up into the sky. In the dub we find a way, through the darkness into day. Lion heart we never fall, even when the nights are cold. Roots foundation keep us strong, in the power of the song. Dub ascension take us far, past the mind beyond the star. Every echo break the chain, wash away the hidden pain. Beyond all time, beyond all